All right. Amazon's just going sideways.
AES
Gonna get
topping
out. ALB looks good for more downside.
Yeah, awesome. RUN could be a short.
All right, RUN. I think this RTO is just going to go sideways. It's too big of a gap, I guess, maybe.
The RTO.
Yeah.
Well, here's one that can go against me in the long run is UNH. The one that I actually bought extra. And that's sad.
Yeah, remember I was saying.
Yeah.
You gotta watch out with those. Looks good though.
Yeah, looks good for a short.
Yeah. Breaking underneath that pivot.
Yeah. I thought like the bot from 2 days ago might help like pushing back up, but guess not.
No, yeah.
CHG has a level 2.
GME coming back up a little bit. SPY is dropping. So let's see if we get this. I think UNH looks good like for a short right here.
Yeah.
It triggered. Just gotta get, drop a little bit more.
Lynn, did you jump in CCJ?
No, I was looking at it. I should trust myself. 1, 2, 3 pattern. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, I got so mad at myself.
NVIDIA looks like it wants to go lower. Interesting. I think ALB might be out now.
Yeah, I decided to just get out, not doji. Like it's deciding right now. I don't wanna sit in that.
Yeah.
Same with play. I got out for a small loss. The only one I'm in right now is CCJ on my partial.
Okay. Yeah.
ACI I also got out because it's could keep going up, but then again it's also could drop back down.
Hey, ARM. Is it too toppy?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, CCJ. I will go to 41 TA.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm not sure about ARM. It looks too choppy.
Yeah, ARM is very choppy on the 5 minute.
It's not clean at all.
I'm going to add to play here. It's looking like the same thing that with JP Morgan yesterday.
Uh-huh.
once it gets underneath the 200, that's like my favorite. Just got to get there. That's all.
Yeah.
There we go. Come on, underneath the 200. Get underneath there so I can add a little bit more. There we go. I'm going to add a little bit more. There we go. Hopefully it doesn't double bottom and it just keeps going. Okay, UNH. I'm going to add.
Damn.
What's going against me? Which one?
AMD going back up.
Which one? A and D?
Yeah.
Ah. Market hit kind of find a bottom, maybe. Play looks good.
Yeah. Nice. I wasn't able to sit through all that.
It's tough, yeah.
I guess mainly because it would go against the rule of fighting the trend, you know?
Yeah, well, this is a shock gap, you know, in a way. Start off with a big gap up, and it's gave the whole thing back, and now it's finally underneath the 200. So I'm just hopefully I take some partials on that drop.
Up JPM looks like a short, but it's inside a JPM.
Yeah.
It's in a range right now, though.
Okay, UNH. Hell yeah, come on.
Hey, NVIDIA level 1.
To the upside, huh?
Yeah, I was thinking of doing that.
Cut out on CCJ right now.
All right.
Hey, you guys, did you guys have that indicator you put on your chart? For example, CCJ, I can see on the chart the 20 MA on daily chart, not on the 5-minute chart.
Yep, it's right there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, look at play, guys.
Very nice.
Yeah, so this is that one that I love. It's the same exact looking pattern from JP Morgan yesterday, but it may not go as long. Who knows? We'll see. UNH looks good, just bar by bar, I think. All right.
Yeah, market is dropping. Damn it, UNH.
If ALB gets underneath that area, I'll add to the get back in short. Just got to keep going, you know. There we go. I think the plan for play is to take it underneath even yesterday, even that huge gap down to the downside.
Wow.
GME looks like it found some support here, so I'm all out of GME. Didn't really go anywhere.
Yeah.
Roku could be a long over the high, but I think the market's stopping it. So I think that, it's probably just going to be trading sideways.
Yeah.
Thinking about getting out around here just to kind of lock in a small loss or break-even kind of trade. So I did a level 1 earlier on its short, and it hasn't taken out the top of that level 1. So it's kind of at my entry. I'm going to reduce my position. That's what I'll do. That way, if it finally does break down, I'll have it. But
I'm watching daily for maybe a long.
yeah, let's see, Apple APM. That looks like a bearish chart right now. There we go. There we go. All right. Now, so I captured that level 1 on play, then I added to it. Then I reduced my position just a little bit on the drop, and then now I've got the rest at break even here. So it has to basically, in order to get me out, this whole red bar has to become green. I think we're good. I think
CIM.
ZIM. Yeah.
Roku, I'm gonna stop above that bar. GME, it could bounce here. I don't know.
Come back into CCJ long.
All right. Kind of like Apple for a short. Now that it's underneath all these moving averages. If it squeezes underneath all that congestion right there, could be a good little short side move. Oh, ALB just triggered a short.
ALB.
Level 1. Kind of tricky.
Kind of tricky, yeah.
Let's see. What happened to... Yeah, okay, so I just jump in ALB. Let's see what happens. See if I can get a move down to 82. That'd be pretty crazy. UNH still looks good.
Nice.
I think it's trying to test that big wick from a couple days ago.
Yeah, probably.
Still in this Roku. Assuming it'll turn around eventually, but it's starting to look more bullish. GME, I'm thinking about trying a long on it for some reason. I don't know. Just seems like something, but I shouldn't do it. I'm going to wait for it to actually produce a pattern that shows upside. And then this ALB. Yeah, I think Apple looks good for a short. Let's see if it gets underneath that. Those moving averages are trying to squeeze it up, but they're having a hard time. Okay, Roku's doing better now. A little bit back towards my entry. Apple looks good for a short side for right now. It hasn't triggered yet. Roku. Okay, Roku. Good. This might actually work for me. That level 1, I held on.
Nice.
Yeah. ALB coming back up. I'm probably get out over this little pivot here.
Do you guys go on AES? I thought you can mention it, right?
AES. I don't know.
Huh?
I don't remember it. But probably maybe mention it. I don't know.
AES?
Probably.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. I'm in AES at the moment.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Another one could be run also on along.
Okay, I'm gonna add to play here underneath this 5-minute bar if it triggers.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, I think the 2-minute looks good. Tried to go higher for a little bit. Failed. And then hasn't triggered, but it looks good. Okay. Apple looks better for a downside move. Hasn't triggered yet, but once it gets under all those moving averages. I took a short on Oracle, ORCL level 1.
Yeah.
Okay, Apple's going to trigger. There we go.
Oh.
And the sell-off. Roku's back into profit zone.
Look at JPM, we missed that.
Oh, is it still going down?
Yeah.
How dare you? How dare they? JP Morgan. Okay, that was from yesterday, right?
Yep.
Okay. Come on, Apple. There we go. Apple's good. Let's see. Let's see if Apple can get us some continuation here. I'm going to get out of UNH. 2-minute just triggered. Okay, come on, Apple. Come on.
NVIDIA is dropping.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I think Apple's going back down. So that's nice. I also think Oracle's going to go back down too. We'll see. Put my stop on Apple kind of tight here, moving it down so I don't give back much. Roku, I'm going to move my stop loss on Roku to my entry. Now that it's actually had a move, let's see if we can get a decent gap fill on Roku. See if we can fill the gap. That'd be nice.
Yeah.
I'm going to get out of ALB right here.
I haven't stopped me out yet, but it looks like it's gonna...
Looks like it's just kind of going sideways.
Yeah.
So when I can recognize that, if I can find that, hey, this thing isn't going anywhere for a little bit, then maybe I reduce my position, and then now it's going sideways, so we'll see. Amazon triggered a level 3.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it too late to Afro? Yeah, too late to
GME just triggered a level 1.
BA has a level 2.
Okay. Yeah, I think GME just triggered a level 1 right here off the 8. I think it could drop one more time back down to the low. What is going on? Come on. Play. Looks good. Okay, GME's working. I'm up 3 Rs for the day.
Yeah, me too. I was up almost 5R, but I give back.
Oh, nice. Wow, up 5R. Jeez.
Yeah.
What was the one that kind of got you?
Things pulling back. Things kind of being choppy right now.
Yeah.
Luckily.
Yeah, I had some little things here and there on stuff.
Yeah.
I tried a long on Amazon. I didn't take big losses or anything like that. I got out, luckily. And I'm glad I got out even before this whole thing triggered. But I think I could have. Well, I think I actually managed it pretty good. I had a level 1 that triggered, and then it went back against me right away. But then I waited for a little bit, and then it went up close to my entry. So I kind of got out closer to my entry, and then kind of called it. And said, "Okay, this isn't that great."
What? Can you look at ACI real quick? Why is it not moving at all?
ACI.
Oh well, there's no volume, so that's one thing.
Yeah, that'll do it.
CCJ is pulling back.
The level 1 on GME is working so far.
Nice.
What am I currently in?
Roku.
Okay.
You still Roku?
Yeah. Roku is almost at 67. I think that's the target right here.
ALB, it just triggered an ad for me.
ALB?
Yeah.
I see that. That's nice. Oh, man, I got out. I'm going to get back in underneath the low, though.
Nice.
Actually, I can't. I can't get back in underneath the low because see how many bars in a row it has?
Yeah.
Yeah, so per my rule, I can't do it. Maybe I could go smaller share size if I do feel like still doing it. I think it looks great. More downside potential.
Yeah. Kind of a shock gap and stuff.
Yeah.
Kind of like you play.
Yeah, very similar.
Ooh. It's orange. Very nice.
All right. ALB, nice. Wow. Good job.
Yeah, man.
Good job on that, yeah. You know, I didn't need to get out. I don't know why I did. I had the level 1. It triggered great. And the target was this pivot. And now it's there.
Yeah.
I don't know why. I guess I just looked at, I was in too many things, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, possibly.
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck? Look at that bottoming tail.
Oh my gosh, look at the SPY. What the heck? That's what's causing this to happen. Look at
Yeah.
So something. Wow. Okay.
Ooh, ACI starting back up. Damn, that's it a bad.
ACI, let's see.
Ah, it's okay.
Oh yeah. Nice level 1 on the daily chart too.
Oh yeah,
Had that big, massive climactic sell-off. There's a level 1 reversal on the daily, and the daily matches the intraday because like I would take it long if this is swing trade. And then all these level 2s are working. Starting to get extended on the SPY though. I'd be a little cautious that this is the bounce.
ALB, I shouldn't have been greedy. I should just take a partial at the bottom.
Yeah.
Now it's trading in that range.
I think the market bottomed.
And I'm caught in the middle of that range.
Yeah. I think the market's going to spike up here. There we go. All right. $3 for the day. So I am out of everything. Roku went up. I got out of Roku. And yeah. Looks pretty good. Play looks pretty good still. I just want to call it a day now.
I see.
I'm going to close out everything.
How does the increase in your all unit affect?
It hasn't done anything to me so far. I feel like the same exact trading, which is great because it's only 15. It's only $5 extra. So having that, increasing it for only that amount is, I think, the way to do it. That very, very gradual increase.
Yeah.
If it was increased by like maybe twice as much, I think I'd feel it. Even though it's only $5 extra from there, I think I'd be like, having issues holding and stuff. But I think because it's only $5 extra, and I think to myself, it's not a big deal. It's not like a huge dent in the account.
Yeah.
I really do think it all has to do with the account size. Like if my account was over $1 million,
yeah,
I think having $100 stop loss would be like nothing. It'd be very small in the bucket of things. Because I would think like, well, I could lose a bunch, and then all I got to do is make a few trades that are really good, and I'll make back the 100.
Yeah.
But having an account where all I put in the bare minimum. So I have 26,000 that I leave in there.
Yeah.
And so I don't want to lose $1,000 because if I lose $1,000, I'm basically at PDT.
Yeah.
And so because of that, my risks become very, I'm very like cautious. Like $1,000, yeah. If I raised my risk to $100, that'd be only 10 trades, and I could lose the whole PDT thing right there. Yeah. So I'm like, yeah, it's interesting how it does have to do with the account size. And yes, I could put more money in the account and make it a bigger account, but I also feel like I feel like you have to earn that. As a trader, you have to kind of like earn that ability. If you're still making mistakes, like holding on to winners and then letting them go to losers, which I've done and you've done, right? Or, other mistakes we're making, I don't think it's smart. I don't think it's the right thing to just be like, well, because I had a good day of trading, I'm going to raise my risk to $100. So, but I think, yeah, $15 doesn't feel like anything. And I think that's the plan.
Yeah. Come on, ACI, keep going. What happened?
Probably got stopped out, right?
I'm not sure. For CCJ, trigger me in for long at the VWAP bounce, maybe?
Oh, okay. Oh, hi, handsome.
Damn, look at CAG. I've been watching it all day and it just go without me. And then the XPEV trigger level 1 at the VWAP and I didn't take it now, so I'm making a new high for the day. I'm like, gosh, damn it.
Oh crap.
Yeah. Now it has a level 2. I guess level 2 is stronger, but I feel like it's kind of too late to enter too.
VR and VRDN, we missed it.
VR what?
VR, D and D like David.
Oh, I mean, it's kind of good right here, level 2, new high.
The 1, 2, 3 on the 15 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah. With an engulfing bar too, so that's looks really
Mm-hmm.
You guys sound like pros.
We are.
I love it. With the 1, 2, 3 and engulfing bar, and I'm like, wow, okay. That's awesome. That's how
Level
you know.
1, level 2.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at GME. I got out and it's still going.
No, check out CAG though.
CAG, okay.
I've been watching this thing all day. Just like, why did I answer?
Oh wow, yeah. That's pretty amazing right there. Well, I'm closing down the platform. I'm gonna end the day up like 3.2 R or whatever.
Wow, good job.
Nice.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I had a little bit more. I think I was up maybe at one time, 4 or 5 R, but I think things started just going against me when the market turned around. And that's just what it is, just how things are going, especially when you're in a bunch of trades all together.
Yeah.
You just can't really. I think I could, if I go back over my trades, I probably could manage some of them a little bit better.
Yeah.
If I was watching them more closely. But
I'm up 5 at the moment, so.
Oh my gosh! Awesome, man.
Doing great today.
Yeah. So what's the difference? What's the difference between your trading today?
I think I don't get into things that in the range that much today.
Okay.
I'm
good.
I'm also not being greedy, but I'm also holding on to my window a little bit longer.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for a better setup to enter, like DILI. Right now, it's put in a level 2 to the downside. ALB is my biggest win today. I made like.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah. So I said taking a partial just so I don't get bad. Yeah, I think I'm just entering. I'm just waiting for a better setup.
Yeah, totally. Awesome.
For a few of them, my stop was kind of close, kind of tight.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know.
Wait, you put your stop less close? Is that what you did?
Oh no, some of my stop are kind of tight, so I.
Oh, interesting. Because I remember sometimes that's
But then
becomes the thing.
Luckily, the tight stop is also a small loss.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you have a tight stop, but you use less than an R on your tight stop?
I have my wider stop, but then I go in tight afterwards.
Oh, I get it. So basically, you calculate for the wide stop loss, which is kind of like what I do, and then if it starts not working against you, you cut it.
Yeah.
Like with like a level 1 versus like a level 3 or 4 or whatever.
Exactly.
And so you only lose like a quarter of an R or something.
Yeah.
That's what I normally do. Yeah, I like that technique.
Yeah.
Because if the trade starts working in your favor, then you then get that confidence to add.
Exactly.
You're like, oh, okay, I got follow through. Let me add to this next level right here, and then you get follow through on that, and then you're like, okay, great. Let me add again, and then pretty soon you don't realize because you're not looking at your P&L.
Also, not being greedy is, I think, also helped me conserve my capital too.
Oh yeah.
Like ACI, it was going up, and then it kind of struggled. Then I just got out, and now it's doing a special sauce to the downside. If I stay in there, I just get back off my gain and some.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. That's like a nice. Oh, I mean, it's not the best setup for a special sauce, but like, look at that. I mean, oh my god, it's like it got in 2 previous balls.
Yeah, exactly. All right, guys. Well, I have to run, but
Yeah.
Okay.
awesome to hear that you're doing good. How about you, Lynn? Everything okay?
Yeah, I did supposedly 4 hours, but the play, I lost on play.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, you kind of took it on the first 5 minutes as it was shooting up, right? Over the pre-market?
Yep.
Yeah, I almost did that same exact trade, but I think, let me see why. I'm trying to remember why I didn't do it. Let me see if there was anything to be noticed about. Okay, so PLAY. Let me look at, okay. Oh, I know why I didn't do it. Do you put on your chart the 60 period moving average?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I noticed that play was gapping, even though it was gapping above the 20 and it's in a downtrend. It was gapping to resistance to the 60, and I looked to the left. There's a pivot at 30.
Oh.
Yeah, 35.14 right there. There's a pivot, and so we were gapping into that. So I was just like, I don't know if I want to trade this to the long side. I need to see it clear the moving average and then give me like some sort of pullback. So that was my reason. But then when it had that gigantic red bar off the open, I was like, oh, is this how it's going to be? And then you can really see what happened. It shot down, came back up, tested the VWAP, which is my favorite, like first like pullback area. And that's why I did the level 1, and then broke the 200, which is my next favorite type of pattern. And then it looks like, take a look at this play. I'm going to just show you this just for a second. Take a look at this, and then I'm gonna send it to the room. And then I'm going to show you. So here's the play chart. Now take a look at JP Morgan from yesterday. Let me see if I can find it. If I go to JP Morgan, I have to zoom in really far because it had such a huge drop.
I jumped the gun.
Yeah, I've seen you do that a couple times lately. You get excited, Sometimes it works, right?
Sometimes, yeah. I should have waited for at least 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's always pretty good. Unless it's absolutely, like, breathtaking. Like,